Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Notion journal. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. Select the Empty Page option to begin with a clean slate. Give your journal a clear and inviting title, perhaps My Daily Reflections or Growth Journal. Don't forget to add a fun cover image and an icon to make it uniquely yours and visually appealing. This initial setup takes just a few moments, setting the stage for your personal reflection space. Next, transform your page into a database. This is crucial for organizing your thoughts efficiently. Add essential properties to each entry, such as a date property to track when you write, tags for categorizing themes, and a mood property to reflect your feelings. For your actual journal entry, use a text property. This structure allows for easy filtering and sorting later on, making your journal a powerful tool for self-discovery. To streamline your journaling, create a new template for daily entries. This template can include preset sections like gratitude, challenges, or learnings. You can also embed thought-provoking prompts or questions directly into the template to guide your reflections. Consider adding a checkbox property to mark entries as complete, giving you a sense of accomplishment. This saves you valuable time and ensures consistency across all your journal entries. Finally, explore the various ways to view your journal. Switch between table, calendar, or gallery views to gain different perspectives on your entries. Utilize filters and sorting options to review specific periods, themes, or moods. For instance, you could filter by a particular tag to see all entries related to goals. Regularly reviewing your journal is key to tracking personal growth and identifying recurring patterns over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.